When it comes to prone shooting, the position you choose can make all the difference in your accuracy and comfort. And today, we're going to look at 3 common prone shooting positions to help you find the one that works best for you. The first position we're going to look at is often called the British style. It's one of the most popular shooting positions you'll see people using. To get into the British style, lay prone and extend the leg on the opposite side of your trigger hand straight back. So if you're right-handed, stretch your left leg back. Then bring the other leg up, bending it to about a 90-degree angle. What's good about this position is it lifts your chest up from the ground a little bit, minimising the effect your breath is going to have on your aim. The only real downside is that it can be a little bit uncomfortable over longer periods. The next position we're going to look at is the German style. To get into this position, simply extend both legs back and face your toes outwards. This is going to give you better stability than the previous position we looked at, but does mean your chest is closer to the ground, which means your breathing could affect your shot accuracy. Finally, we're going to look at a common freestyle position. Now, freestyle basically means finding a prone position that's comfortable for you, but a lot of people find crossing the leg on the same side as their trigger hand over their other leg to be a more comfortable position to be in, especially for extended periods. This is good if you're hunting small quarry and you're going to be in this position for a long time. It's worth giving these 3 prone positions a go to see which one works best for you. We're all built a bit different, so there's no right answer here, but let us know which one you prefer in the comments below.